Hi everyone, this is Rubens Gardelli from Gardelli Specialty Coffee, and this week I'm really happy to present you a new entry, which is a Geisha variety from Colombia. Exactly, is from the Nariño department, and this coffee has been cultivated by Pablo Guerrero in Hacienda El Obraje. Those trees, beautiful Geisha trees, has been planted in 2011 by Don Pablo at a stunning altitude of 2,000 meters and up to 2,200 meters. And this great stunning altitude give or helped the plants to slowly develop the sugar inside the beans, and thus it created a beautiful complex cup profile. And of course Geisha is giving hand to this. And so this coffee, why did I choose it? Because when I was looking for a new entry of Geisha from the new crop, new harvest coming from Colombia, and this lot was standing out for its cleanliness. So I didn't feel any like added or annoying or overpowering fermentation notes. It was really clean and expressing what I know it is the Geisha soul, let's call it soul, the Geisha variety soul. So that's why I bought it, and I'm really happy because what I tasted is what I got and what I'm serving and what I'm offering to you and what you will experience in your house or in your cafe or in your office anyway. So this coffee was processed with the classic natural method. So picking the cherries, picking the only perfectly ripe cherries laid over raised bed, and with a slow drying phase of around 25 to 30 days. It takes a lot of time to properly dry. And this is also helping the shelf life and the complexity in the cup. And what I wanted to say is that the cup notes, it's super tropical and fruity, but at the same time very clean and bright. So you will feel and taste blueberry and passion fruit, straightforward, and you will the beautiful clean acidity. It's like from fruit-like acidity, and especially it reminds me of mango acidity. So not super power, but very sweet and tropical. And at the end, as the cup cools down, you will feel also the peach, which is a typical taste and flavor from the Geisha, pure Geisha variety. So I wanted to say a little bit about Pablo Guerrero, what he has done. So he has more than 100 hectares of land, so it is quite big as a farm, but only 25 hectares are dedicated to coffee. The rest he has planted and growing a natural forest around the farm. So this is a good thing because it creates biodiversity that helps the environment, helps to reduce the chemical impacts on the plants. And yeah, that's all. I believe you're going to enjoy it and like it as much as I do, because man, we are talking, men and women, we are talking about Geisha, and it's the king or the queen of the coffee variety. That's my opinion, personal opinion, but not only me. All right, so thanks for watching. See you for the next presentation of the next coffee, and enjoy El Obraje. Bye bye, ciao.